So here in Preston, we've got a 3-story basement. We're about 8 metres below the water table here. So it's really important as part of our project was to achieve a dry basement. How we've achieved that here is using a CETCO waterproofing system. Now, out here at Preston, we've got 5 key stages for how we're doing this system. And along the way, that includes 3 inspections by CETCO to ensure we're doing it correctly. So stage 1, just here on my left, we do the detailed excavation, then followed by the blinding layer. And what that does is that acts as a smooth, hard surface for the waterproofing to compress against. Once the blinding is installed, we have that inspected by CETCO and they approve it. Once approved, we start installing the membrane. So once CETCO have approved the membrane install, we then start our steel install. This applies for the retention walls and the slabs. And CETCO will come back again, make sure that the waterproofing hasn't been damaged during steel install, and all of our penetrations have been appropriately sealed with the correct CETCO system. From here, once approved, we'll go and do our concrete pour. Here is an example of how we detail a penetration through the CETCO membrane. So here we've got steel reinforcement punching through to the piles behind. So the penetration here, the detail from CETCO is to have a product called Bentoseal, which is a bentonite product. And that's just grouped around the penetration, and that fully seals the penetration for any future water ingress. So another detail we've got here is the water stops. So these are applied to any of our construction joints. What these do is, if any water does get through the construction joint, this product will expand and block that water. So once CETCO has approved the membrane post-seal install, we complete our final stage of the hydrostatic walls or hydrostatic slab detail, which is to pour the concrete. Interesting detail here is our detailing around penetrations. So we've learned some lessons on this one in previous projects in really making sure we allow adequate space for future lapping. So the membrane detail needs 150 mil for lapping. So that's why we've really oversized these penetrations around the retention anchors to ensure we have enough space to come back and patch the waterproofing at a later date.